What's going on, guys? This is the Deik vacuum that I got, and let's see what we got inside. It runs on battery, and it's pretty good. So we got a box inside of a box. Always a good thing. So I got this on the Cyber Monday deal for pretty cheap, and it was a pretty good deal. So what we got? That's the vacuum right there. Okay, nothing important here. Looks like it's ready to open up. Alright. Alright, this is the main component. Looks like we got some juice in it. Pretty good section. Pretty good. What else do we got? So we got the bottom piece here. There's the bottom piece, and it looks like there's the plug here. So hopefully this bottom piece right here rotates. That's what I'm hoping. Here's the tube. So you carry some electrical here, wire. So I think we are probably in luck. We got a wall mount here. If you want to put it on the wall. Got a nozzle here. We got a nozzle, some brushes. Just like that. And here's the charger for it. Pretty simple. And they give us an extra filter here. And we got the whole little manual here. They give us screws for the wall mount. And that's it. So yeah. Oh yeah, definitely, it's gonna work. Oh yeah. So let me put this together. The suction is pretty good, so happy about that. I don't even know if it's fully charged. Okay, so here's, it does rotate, which is fantastic. Check it out. There's a little light in the front. And here's the base here. Let me check the manual. Let me check the manual how to replace the filter. got less than a warranty card, and it says 90-day warranty. It's not bad. All right. So to get the dust cover off, we got a button here. You push, and we can empty it this way, forward like that. But probably the easiest way is to just open it up and then bang. You got your nozzles here, vacuum here if you want. You got this nozzle. Works pretty good. I don't know if it's fully charged or not. Probably not, definitely not. Let me do the carpet for you guys and show you how that works. Oh yeah, no. It picked up a whole bunch of dirt. Look at that. There's actually a whole bunch of dirt in here. It works pretty good. It cleaned it great. I don't have no complaints here. So yeah, if you're going through, if you guys like go through like a hardwood floor to a laminate, or let's say carpet, that's pretty good too. So here's the product. Here it is. Here's all the goodies. And yeah, I mean, it's great. I'll keep you updated if I like it or not, but so far so good. I think it's going to be a great addition. Plus it's on a battery and rechargeable. You can't beat that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the video, and yeah, have a good one.